Hello from Seoul. Let me ask you one question. What's the best rice bowl in the world?
gyudon, oyakodon, katsudon.
Yeah, it's hard to answer it. They're all good. But one thing I can guarantee is that today you will see one of the most beautiful and delicious rice bowls of all time. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Today, we're gonna be making BUTADON, Japanese pork rice bowl, but it's gonna be a fancier version, not just like something from Yoshinoya. Sorry about that, Yoshinoya. I love you, buddy. Anyways, since it looks way nicer and fancier, I'm pretty sure you wanna show off on your Instagram. For this, you will need pork, green onions, garlic, ginger, and a bowl of hot rice. That's it. But if you could add some soft boiled egg, it's gonna be more beautiful and more nutritious. So if you're making this for your date night dinner, this is necessary. First, let's talk about the pork. You could use any cut of pork, but I highly recommend using pork belly with plenty of fat, because after it's cooked, it's way more tender than any other cut. Plus, the 3 layers will look absolutely beautiful, so you will be so satisfied. Usually, we need about 200 grams for one serving. But if you have a hungry bird at home, like me, or you want some fancy meat flour to propose with, then get yourself 300 grams of pork for one serving. That's gonna make her happy, and you're also gonna get a beautiful picture for your Instagram. Next, let's chop some green onions. Normally, for garnish, people use green peas for this pork rice bowl. But who do you think I am? I'm your green onion guy, right? So let's just go for this. Trust me, they'll be more delicious. And then take 2 garlic cloves and give them a little smash. That's it, so simple. You don't even need to chop it. Once that's done, take a small knob of ginger and just thinly slice it. Alright, the veggie prep is done. Let's move on to the sauce. In a saucepan, add half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of sake, half a cup of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of hondashi, and give it a good mix. Here, some of you might ask, Aaron, I don't have sake, can I skip it? Unfortunately, my answer is no. Because without this bad boy, you're not gonna get that truly authentic Japanese taste. It's gonna be just sweet soy sauce. Yes, that's right. This bad boy will bring us a pleasant savoriness and umami, just like Tokyo Treat and Sakuraku bring joy to your doorstep. Tokyo Treat is a monthly snack subscription box straight from Japan. It's filled with up to 20 of the latest and most exclusive snacks that are only available in Japan. For example, if you open the box, you can see some limited edition or seasonal flavored Japanese snacks. And this month's theme is Sakura Picnic Party, where you can experience the best Japanese flavors like Sakura Manju, Strawberry King Cider, Kit Kat Peach, and many more. You're looking for some traditional snacks? Don't worry about it. With Sakuraku, you will get local and authentic Japanese snacks from artisan snack makers, including Japanese tea and one special Japanese tableware. And this month's theme is Arrival of Sakura. And you will find delightful Sakura-themed treats like Sakura Mochi and Sakura Shortbread Cookies. What? You're kind of worried about getting local snacks because of the language, ingredients, or allergens? Don't worry about it. Tokyo Treat and Sakuraku provide a booklet in the box. It contains all the information about the snacks, snack makers, and even interesting cultural stories about Japan. If you're interested in experiencing Japan for yourself, go to the link in my description and check out the special Sakura Season promo code. You want to experience real Japan? Wherever you are, Tokyo Treat and Sakuraku will be with you. Thank you for sponsoring this video, Tokyo Treat and Sakuraku. Alright, to the sauce, let's add some garlic, ginger, and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to medium and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Once that's done, discard the solids and set it aside. That's it, so simple, right? Now it's time for the pork. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil and coat the bottom of the pan with some paper towels. This way, you're gonna get the beautiful Maillard reaction on the surface of the pork belly. Preheat your pan over medium-high heat, and once it gets nice and hot, add the pork belly and sear for 1 minute. Once you've got good color on one side, flip and cook the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes. Here, we don't want to cook it too long because we still want that nice and juicy pork belly, not like super crispy bacon. So be careful not to overcook it. Just get a little bit of color. That's the key. Once you've got good color on both sides, reduce the heat to low. And then generously brush the pork with our BUTADON sauce. What? You don't have a brush? That's okay. You could just pour some sauce and move around your pork. But this will give you more authentic vibes, which means you can show off to your girlfriend. So make sure to keep her behind you so that she can watch it. Then I'm pretty sure she'll think you look so cool. If not, forget it. Sorry about that. And here's one more tip. When the fat meets our lovely sauce, they create an amazing flavor. So don't forget to coat it with the sauce in the pan. Alright, when the pork is nice and glossy, remove it from the pan and cut it into nice bite-sized pieces. Finally, it's time to assemble. Let's put some rice into a bowl and drizzle with our BUTADON sauce. And place your pork pieces one by one. It's gonna be more gorgeous if you're trying to make a meat flour. Trust me, you're gonna be the rock star on Instagram. What? You're making this for your girlfriend or fiance? Then hit them with a blowtorch with a cool face, as if you're doing it every day. Congratulations, you just got married. You're welcome. Last but not least, this is totally optional, but if you wanna make it more pretty, add some soft boiled egg and our love, green onion. For information, as time goes by, pork belly might become dry and tough, so serve it immediately. No time for pictures. Alright, let's go to our taste tester.
Claire?
뚜껑을 덮어놨네. 오, 선물이라도 숨겨놨나? Let's open it! 타다! 진짜 예쁘다. 고기로 만든 꽃다발 같아. 먹기 전에 이거 너무 이뻐가지고 사진 한번 찍고 가야 될 것 같아. I know he always tries to make it pretty, but this is really something, right? I can't help taking a picture of this. 오, 이쁘다. 아, 근데 사진이 내 눈을 따라오지 못해. 와, 일단 냄새가 너무 좋다. 불향이 샥 오는데? 일단 삼겹살을 선택한 게 마음에 드네. 그 적절한 고기 씹는 식감과 입에서 사르르 녹는 그 지방의 조합이 일단 너무 예술이야. 그리고 소스 얘기를 안 할 수가 없네. 그 간장 특유의 소스에서 느껴지는 그 풍미가 딱 느껴지는데 너무 달지 않고 좀 더 세이버리, 풍미 가득한 그런 느낌이어서 마음에 드는 것 같아. If you think of teriyaki sauce, it's less sweet and more savory side. I love it. I think it goes well with rice. 밥이 안 보이니까 여기다 좀 고기를 덜어놓고 먹어봐야겠다. 오, 밥 위에도 소스가 좀 묻었고 This is what I'm talking about. 여기 요 차한 부분 너무 맛있어 보이잖아. Cheers! 맛있다. 역시 밥이랑 너무 잘 어울려. 밥이랑 먹었었을 때 매력이 더 상승하는 것 같아. 너무 맛있네. 중간중간에 파도 씹히는 게 프레쉬함을 추가하면서 훨씬 맛을 끌어주는 것 같아. 많이 넣어도 되겠어. 맛있어. 아, 이거 진짜 숯불향인데? 팬에서 했는데도 숯불향이 충분히 나네. 이게 된다. 신기하네.
Today, I showed you how to make BUTADON, one of the best Japanese rice bowls. Nice and glossy pork belly over the freshly cooked rice. You can tell already this is good, right? And most importantly, it's incredibly easy to make. So please give it a try this weekend. You won't regret it. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.